homemade roasted salsa in the pizza oven with some delicious little breakfast like dippers. I love it. Hey everybody, welcome to the set.
Hey.
My name is CJ. Right over there's Nate.
Hey.
Right over there's Ethan. And right over there is the breakfast master.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
So pumped that you guys are here. I'm gonna show you a fun one. We're gonna be utilizing our pizza oven as well as the griddle top, making roasted salsa.
Come on.
Some little breakfast dippers.
Get you some.
I'm going to. But first, let's ring it and bring it.
That's so aggressive.
Grab
so
something to
quickly.
sip on, y'all. We're gonna have some fun. I promise.
F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anywhere, anytime at all, down here in the that great, yeah.
I need new people on my set.
N is for no survivors when you're ready. So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
The best part of salsa
Of
is
waking
how
up.
it's Folgers in your cup.
Dude, we just went like Rod Stewart with it. I'm okay with it.
I'm right behind you.
Dude, Rob.
Or like more like Stephen Curtis Chapman with it.
Folgers
in your cup.
I do not like Stephen Curtis Chapman. Michael W.
Oh, Michael W. Smith. My bad.
That's a whole different game. Now the cool part about salsa is really how diverse you can go. Today we're going to be doing a red salsa.
Rojo.
Obviously using some little red tomatoes here. I'm actually using Roma tomatoes. I find them to be a little juicier.
Okay.
And
You like a juice?
I like the juice, huh?
There he is.
Yeah, there he is.
It's tomatoey, yeah?
Yes, it is.
Gives flavor.
Oh, sure it does.
And I don't know, I've just kind of,
Dude, maybe there's some controversy there on salsa. Some like the chunky.
sure.
Some like it super thin. I'm somewhere in the middle. I like the juice, as Ethan said.
I think it kind of depends on the application for me, to be
Yeah.
honest with you. I like chunky. I don't like paste. I do
True.
not like to pick up
True.
a big and chunky boy.
Pick up the pace.
Your options are limitless. Put a little lime in there. Now, one thing we're going to be needing.
Your options are Bradley Cooper.
That was an interesting way.
I see everything, Carl.
I like it.
Yeah, I try.
We've got
Try
a
stuff.
hefty pinch
Oh, tomatoes like it.
of salt and some pepper. Let's head over to our pizza oven. It is that
How are we gonna do
simple.
this with 2 cameras?
What?
How are we gonna do this with 2 cameras? Ethan, you go. You're prettier.
Here we go.
I'll just be over here, guys. It's right here.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey guy. So I have my pizza oven. It's been preheating. We're at 400. Temperatures can vary as far as what's going to be effective. We're not
Microphone's
Yeah.
over here, guy.
we're not
Hey.
necessarily needing a length of time. We're just looking for the roast. So that's ultimately what we need to go. You know what?
What?
We've been working for a second.
Okay.
I feel like it's only been like
A minute and a half.
4 or 5 minutes. We'll be back. We're
To
gonna make
your health.
some little baby burritos. For all delicious breakfasts, you gotta have thick cut bacon. Dude, this
Wow.
smells so incredible. Thick
Good
is
looking
money.
bacon.
For 2 reasons we use bacon. The number one, obviously, it tastes
bacon.
delicious. But I love to render out that fat.
Mm-hmm.
Once fat is rendered, then we can get to going in with our eggs. Now
Huevos.
let's go over here. We're gonna scramble some eggs here in the bacon fat because
Okay. Whoa, muscles.
whoa,
Take it easy, John Jacobs.
not the Jingleheimer Schmidt.
No, the
I know, Power Team.
There goes John Jacob Jingleheimer Schmidt.
yeah. Oh, we go to all the classics today.
Dude, bringing up Stephen Curtis Chapman
I
and the
know.
Power Team,
And Michael W. Smith.
and all of that in one beautiful video. Now here we, this is a burrito. Whoa,
Hey.
you gotta
Whoa.
scramble. Whoa,
Hurry.
Whew.
You know what?
What?
2 out of 4 ain't bad.
Well, I wasn't trying to go for a non-runny yolk.
Yeah, okay.
Something that I just haven't got.
You
They're
don't have to explain
scrambled.
yourself to me.
They're scrambled. Yeah.
I'm just talking.
I know. That's usually the problem here.
Is it?
I got a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Now, let's give this nice mix around here.
At least it wasn't pepper and salt. I hate it when you do that. Ooh, little bits of bacon.
You kind of love it. Yeah, we got the little nibs in there.
I like
all
that.
of,
Thank you, my child. I made them by hand.
all
like
of that
that
is
nib.
flavor. All right, this is definitely moving along. Okay, you don't have to do this next part.
Okay.
But I like chili arbor in my salsa.
You like what?
Chile arbor.
That's what I thought you said.
That's what I thought. I'm gonna add this right over here, and I'm gonna get a little bit of water, and I'm just gonna
Agua.
steam this up a little bit because I want to rehydrate these
Gracias.
whenever I. What?
Mucho. Okay, so.
Okay.
Amen.
All right.
High five.
Got some cheese here. We got a nice little Mexi blend.
Mira, mira.
Oh,
Listen.
stop it. Stop. Okay, that was actually really good, dude. Stay there.
Okay.
We're cruising, bro. We are officially Tom cruising.
Oh, you and the green chili.
Go to town, man. Go to town. No. In the meantime.
You know this. What?
Chili or just, man?
You know,
Chile.
chile.
Is chili already Spanish? What's we gonna bring in on that one?
Had to sink in.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Is chili
man.
already
Aquí,
Spanish?
aquí.
Now our salsa, our vegetables or set ingredients of salsa. Wait, is that Spanish
You all right?
already?
Yes. See. Dang it, I missed it.
Let's pull our eggs off, man. Dude, look at that.
Huevos.
Cheesy, gooey, yummy.
Oh, mucho delicioso.
For the tummy. Okay, we're gonna have to stop that. Somebody in the comments, please tell Nate to cut it out.
¿Por qué? ¿Por qué no?
Okay, no. Hold on, hang up. Let me.
What?
I'm gonna grab my chili.
That was a good move.
I'm gonna set it right here.
Those smell really fantastic.
Yes, thank you, sir. And we're gonna bring our bacon over here. Now the bacon is gonna go inside our egg mixture here because, except for that guy.
Oh, not. Whoa. That was like a 4
Yeah,
on the crispy
it's so
scale.
good.
Can't do a 4, bud.
Let us know in the comments, where do you lie when it comes to your bacon? And all this guy is going in here.
Okay.
Dude, do we wanna just like peek at our roasted salsa?
It smells unbelievable.
Cruising
Can I
over
walk
here?
with you?
Yeah, come on over.
I want to see.
Come on.
Gotta make sound effects.
Do you?
Smells fabulous.
Let's see what's happening in here.
Oh, come on, baby.
I'd say let's give it another minute or two.
Hi, mommy.
Ay, papi.
Yeah,
Yeah,
what he said.
exactly. We're gonna rotate those. We'll be back when it's time to build.
How long?
Whoa. 3 minutes.
Cool.
Oh, we already did it without you.
That was rude.
Oh, that felt weird.
There's no ringing. Oh wait, there's no. Make a sound. Look at that. If you could only smell and hear the sizzles. We're gonna bring all this over here to the cutting board.
Golly,
Let's
does smell good.
I know, man. Let's get our
Smells so
processor. Bring that over here now. First, I don't know if everything's gonna fit, so we're just gonna kind of see how it goes here. But tomatoes are going in first.
Dude,
I've
they're
got
so plump and
jalapeños
juicy.
and a serrano, so I'm gonna cut the tops of those off and get rid of the seeds from 2 of these.
Okay.
I want some of the seeds because I like a little bit of that heat, at least as an option. But I've got some garlic, some onions. I'm gonna squeeze this lime juice,
Oh,
dude.
I
This
like that
caramelized
move.
limes.
Yeah.
Such a fun move
It's a
here.
different kind of lime flavor.
It.
You alright?
No. I'm gonna season this up with some salt and pepper. Top this off, scoot it, kaboot it, blend this bad boy. We're gonna do 2 rounds of blending here. I love the consistency of this first round, but
You got room for more tomato?
I got room for another tomato. Gonna add a little bit of water and some cilantro in here.
Okay.
Let's give this another blend. Now that is
Dang.
what
The
I'm talking
aromas.
about. It might get a little, it's gonna get a
So
little
good.
thicker as it sits here, so I might add some water here in a little bit. Dude, I'm an idiot.
What?
I forgot the chili.
What?
I'm an idiot.
What?
I've got a plan. I'll use it later. Okay, boys.
Alright, boys.
We've got our bacon.
Say goodbye.
And he's a good boy.
We've got our cheese, green chili, amazing concoction here. Everything is all mixed up. You don't know what to do.
Dude, that's like a lot cheesier than it looked like it was gonna be.
Yeah.
I'm a fan.
It's because of that big old Mexi Melt thick cut.
Queso.
Exactly. All right, now this is you could do quesadillas. You could do little breakfast tacos, but sometimes it's just fun to change it up.
Gotta
And
get a breakfast burrito, bro.
totes, bro, it's gonna hit the slopes, bros. And we're gonna make kind of like a little baby dipper.
Oh my god, it's
Okay.
I guess is what I'm
Baby
going for.
breakfast burrito, bro. 4 B's for my best B.
That's ridiculous. Okay, let's get that. Yeah, dude, look at this.
Aw.
This is gonna be fun. We're gonna set this aside.
It's like a taquito.
It's a
It's
cute little taquito, bro.
It's a
Dude,
pizza, bros.
We went from like trying our best to speak Espanol to not even attempting it.
Espanol.
Yeah.
Okay, you're
That's
right.
what I
I don't know. Let's just see how much we can get through these. Now, assembling these is super simple. If you have larger tortillas, it's fine. Go for the burrito route. But these are kind of like little taquito, flauta, dipper styles.
Don't overthink it.
That's right. Just put the appropriate amount of filling that you need. Don't overfill.
You didn't?
That would not
You
be.
usually-
That would not be righteous. That would be brutal. We definitely want to get these the appropriate amount of filling. Roll them, set them aside, because we're gonna go all together on the griddle. Now, speaking of the griddle, this side, the left side of my Blackstone is still dirty. That's fine. I've got the right side on low. Got some bacon fat. That's how we're gonna toast these. You want to put them seam side down. That way that has a chance to kind of seal up and crisp up, so that way when we toast it on the other side, everything stays together.
Dig it.
Now, truthfully, you don't have to go all bougie like I'm about to do, but I like plating. I'm gonna stack these 3, 2, 1. We're gonna make a little pyramid of greatness, should I say. I've also got some salsa that we've got in this like little bowl off to the side for
I tried
dippers.
some off camera.
I've also got this queso right here, like this. It's like a dip. It's like a
We should
queso
have made our own
sauce.
cheese sauce, dude.
And I'm gonna drizzle this over this post dust with some of the street taco
Okay.
seasoning.
Okay.
And because we are so fancy, gonna chop up some cilantro, and that's it. It's now this remarkable plate
It's beautiful.
of greatness. But
We're calling
but-
them burritos, but you don't have like the...
I'm not calling them burritos. I'm
Oh.
calling them a dipper.
Oh, I've been calling
I
them
forgot
breakfast.
to put these in, and I was like, maybe gonna plate them up or something.
Do it.
Ethan, you
Do
want
it.
to nibble?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Do it.
You gotta bite it kind of in half.
Hey, CJ, did you know that Ethan...
Hey, CJ, did you know?
Whoa.
Hey, CJ, did you know?
What's going on here?
Hey, CJ, did you...
Breathe, breathe, remember your training.
Did you know I have a shirt now?
Yeah.
This is getting a little hot.
I bet it is.
My
funny.
girlfriend made it for me.
I know.
Yeah.
Does
is
it have
awesome.
Does it have your name on it? Let me see.
It has my name on it.
Gotcha!
I'm sorry, guys. That was oh, you know what? We need to ring it and bring it for the Hey
Yeah.
CJ. Did you know that
Yeah.
Ethan now has a shirt that has my name on it
This is a low
again?
bro.
All proceeds go to me. My band shirt fund.
Support the guy. Okay, guys. Let's get into this.
Oh,
Crispy
come on
exterior.
now. Look at
Texture
that
goes a
little
long
beauty.
way. We've got some goodies on the inside. You know what? Let's take a first test, and then we'll get this all.
Okay.
Hot over there.
I tried the salsa off camera. It's got some heat. Without that, chili boy. You alright over there?
This is so good.
Oh,
But let's get some of the salsa, which was quite warm.
roasty, toasty goodness. Oh yeah, it was still warm when I tried it.
That is such good salsa.
It's money.
Probably could use a little bit more water to loosen it up.
Really?
Yeah. But
Oh yeah, because you like the more cantina.
yep.
You think there's any other kinds of hot sauce you could use on
I don't
No.
know if we necessarily.
Don't, dude. You
What
did
about-
You did a good thing, Bubby. You did a
about one of
good thing.
these?
Don't.
I suppose one, if
Hey.
one were so inclined. Ooh, Ethan, you little scoundrel.
Ew.
Oh yeah.
Way to ruin it.
Let me know in the comments. Are you down with the Taco Bell hot sauce?
No.
What do you think about the salsa?
Great.
What do you think about the dippers?
So good.
What do you think
chili
about
boy
Ethan
was
eating
really
that
hot.
chili boy?
That's great.
Yeah.
There's 2 more, you know.
Let me know how I did in the comments down below. But in the meantime, it is now officially time for CJ's favorite comments of...
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
This, my friends, is the segment of the show where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers, because if you write it...
We read it.
That's right. We get to have a lot of fun with it.
Sometimes a lot of fun. Sometimes a little fun.
Sometimes a little mean.
Never
but
no fun.
Never not fun.
It's
always
it's
something.
Always well. Oh.
Starting from the top in no particular order, this is from Jason Cannon.
Hey, Jason.
Jason says, I'm glad it doesn't need to look pretty, cause... Oh, darn.
Jeez.
I'm sure it tastes amazing, but it looks like hillbilly roadkill. Just saying. Ooh, you weren't that far off.
Wow.
I was able to redeem it a bit, but it was a total. It was a mishap.
Hillbilly roadkill. That's Jason
doozy.
Bourne stuff right there.
Ooh. Where'd the food go? This next comment comes in from Vincent Yanes.
Hey, Vincent.
Vincent says...
Is it Vincent, the vegetable...
You okay?
No. Taco Bell hot sauce. Yeah, I can't even focus on it.
Vincent the vegetable vampire here.
Wait, what? Are you serious? Wait a minute. Wait the...
Vincent the vegetable vampire here. Whoever's in charge of the movie clip inserts is on point. Love watching you guys. Keep up the good work. Thank you.
Wow. I was kidding. No, that's the count.
I know.
Vincent the vegetable vampire.
In the nighttime when tomatoes start to scream.
Okay, this one is from Brian Mowers.
Hey, Brian.
Like the Lawnmower Man. Wasn't there like it in the 80s, early 90s?
The Lawnmower Man?
The Lawnmower Man?
So good. I mean, so bad.
I never actually saw it.
It's like Candyman.
Yeah.
Same era.
Yeah, I was too young to be allowed to watch it.
It was before people understood how computers work.
This universe is mine. I am God here.
Brian says, poor Andy. There
Why?
are shades of Charlie Brown always getting a rock from CJ.
That was a good one. That was good.
That was a nice high five. You reminded me of the scene in Twister. Not Twister. And Tremors. And it's the guy that's like on the house and he's going, yeah! Yeah!
Right!
What a random clip to remember. It's the kid, the annoying kid.
No,
right?
it's the dad.
That's what I meant.
Exactly. All right, this is from Big Daddy C.
Hey, Big Daddy C.
Big Daddy C says, Nate complaining about not having an assistant.
No, I didn't say that.
He needs more viewers first.
Okay. Big Daddy, see you later. Big Daddy, D-.
I was just doing the scene from Buffy the Vampire Slayer when it's, what's his name? Pee Wee Herman? Paul Rubin, and he plays one of the vampires.
I don't like it.
It's great. It's such a good movie. Yeah, Big Daddy C. I concur. No, it's a movie.
Buffy the Vampire Slayer is a movie?
Yes,
What?
there's one from the early 90s.
It's just a movie, or it's a TV show as well?
No,
They
was
turn it into a
was
TV
movie.
show.
They made it into a TV show.
This kid.
God, he's so dumb.
When were you born?
Like 2000?
He didn't even know. Like 2000.
Uh-oh. Buffy was awesome. And Paul Rubin was in it.
His name is Paul Rubens.
And that, my friends, is how we wrap up an episode of CJ's First Cooking Show. Definitely go to blackstoneproducts.com for all kinds of other things Blackstone related, including this recipe and a bunch of other stuff. Go to griddlenation.com if you want to find some swag, t-shirts, and things of that nature. But in the meantime...
Oh, he actually did it.
What? There's still one more. There's still one more.
Got it.
But this is CJ's First Cooking Show where we cook.
And we quote.
Nice callback. I will see you guys later.
Woo!
Secure!